Hi there. How's your run going?
It's good, thanks. How about yours?
Pretty good too. My name's Jack. What's yours?
I'm Lily. Nice to meet you, Jack.
Nice to meet you too, Lily. Where are you from?
I'm from Boston. How about you?
I'm from Seattle. What do you like to do for fun, Lily?
I enjoy reading and doing yoga. How about you, Jack?
I'm into hiking and playing guitar. Say, would you like to grab dinner together sometime?
Sure, that sounds like fun. When were you thinking?
How about next Friday night?
That works for me. Where should we go?
There's a great sushi place downtown. How about we meet there at 7 p.m.?
Sounds great. What's the name of the restaurant?
It's called Sushi House. I think you'll love it.
I've heard great things about it. Can't wait.
Me too. Well, I should get going. It was nice meeting you, Lily.
Nice meeting you too, Jack. Have a good run.
Thanks, you too. Bye! Hi there. Have you been here before?
No, it's my first time. What do you recommend?
The steak is amazing. I also heard the seafood is fresh.
I'm not sure. I'm trying to watch my diet.
Oh, I understand. They have a great salad selection too.
That sounds good. What dressing do you recommend?
I like the balsamic vinaigrette. It's not too heavy.
All right, I'll go with that. How's your meal?
It's delicious. I always come back for the steak.
I'm glad you recommended it. Thanks.
No problem. So, do you come to this area often?
Not really. I'm here for a business trip.
Ah, I see. Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago. How about you?
I'm from New York. But I've been living here for a few years now.
That's cool. Do you like it here?
Yeah, it's a great city. The people are friendly and the food is amazing.
I agree. I'm glad I got to try this place. Thanks for the recommendation.
Anytime. Would you like to grab coffee or something after dinner?
Sure, that sounds great.